Join our family of creators. Your support means the world to us. Subscribe now to the Content Creator channel. Your support keeps us motivated and helps us bring you fresh, exciting content every week. Hit that subscribe button and be part of our journey. Big changes to UK immigration start in 2026. If you plan to study, work, or reunite with family in the UK, the rules you rely on are about to be rewritten. This monumental shift in policy is poised to affect a vast number of people: aspiring students, skilled professionals, families hoping to reunite on British soil. It is absolutely crucial that you understand what is coming. The landscape of opportunity and the very process of making the UK your home are about to be redrawn. These are not minor tweaks, but fundamental reforms that will redefine the pathways to entry, work, and settlement for years to come. Staying informed is not just advisable, it is the first and most vital step in navigating this new era of immigration policy successfully. The United Kingdom's government has formally declared a comprehensive suite of new rules, with the full rollout scheduled for the start of 2026. These regulations will fundamentally alter how people apply to enter, live, work, study, or join loved ones in the UK. Some rules are entirely new concepts, others are significant modifications refining existing frameworks. The stated objective: a system that is more transparent, efficient, and equitable for all applicants. Yet many worry the changes could inadvertently raise barriers for certain groups. The ripples will be felt across society and the economy. Workers, ambitious students, close-knit families, and businesses that rely on international talent. For many, eligibility and processes may look very different, making proactive preparation essential. One of the most significant changes is a newly refined, clarified points-based system. While points existed before, the 2026 iteration promises greater transparency and rigor. Applicants must accumulate a specific number of points awarded across a clear matrix of attributes: professional skills, educational qualifications, English language proficiency, salary thresholds, and a confirmed job offer from a licensed sponsor. Point thresholds may be adjusted in line with evolving economic priorities. The system favors high skill and strong English. Criteria will be less ambiguous, enabling realistic self-assessment. Expect stricter English requirements for some visas. Higher-paid roles earn more points, linking economic contribution directly to visa chances. A highly experienced software architect with a strong offer will likely reach the mark faster than a lower-paid role, even on a shortage list. It is no longer enough to have any qualification. You need the right qualification, documented credentials, and non-negotiable English standards. The burden of proof rises, but clarity improves. Treat your application as a portfolio of skills, experience, and value to the UK economy. To cement global leadership in innovation, the UK is creating new visa pathways for high-demand skills. Financial technology, artificial intelligence, life sciences, and the green energy sector are front and center. Expect simplified processes, faster decisions, longer initial visas, and more flexible requirements. For a machine learning specialist or a sustainable materials engineer, 2026 could open a golden corridor to the UK. Employers in priority domains, from startups to pharma giants, may face fewer hurdles recruiting international talent. The flip side, sectors not prioritized may encounter a tougher landscape. The system is shifting from broad-based to curated and economically focused. Aligning your course or upskilling toward renewable energy or cybersecurity can materially improve visa prospects. This is about importing innovation and securing the UK's economic future. If you lead in technology, science, or green innovation, the UK is redesigning its system to welcome you. But as focus narrows, paths for others may become comparatively more difficult. Student visa rules will be overhauled, emphasizing education quality and graduate outcomes. The aim: genuine academic pursuit at reputable institutions leading to valuable qualifications and meaningful employment. Expect a clampdown on low-quality courses or providers seen as backdoors to immigration. Be discerning, stick to licensed sponsors. Unaccredited choices risk refusals, wasting time and money. Right to work while studying may tighten, hours and job types could be more constrained. The graduate route may be recalibrated, clearer, potentially more generous for high-demand degrees from top universities. Graduates in fields misaligned with UK priorities may see fewer options. The goal is filling critical skill gaps. The message is clear: quality over quantity. Choose programs that link to viable post-study work, not shortcuts. The days of the cheapest or easiest course as a foothold are ending. Research thoroughly, plan your route, and align your studies with your immigration prospects. Family immigration rules are under comprehensive review, affecting spouses, partners, children, and dependent relatives. The goal: prove relationships are genuine and ensure sponsors can support family without recourse to public funds. Expect more stringent, evidence-based processes, with potential increases to income thresholds in 2026. Be ready with joint financials, tenancy agreements, photographs over time, and communication records to show a real, subsisting relationship. The Home Office will scrutinize intent and authenticity. Settlement timelines, 5-year and 10-year routes, may see clarified conditions, stricter continuous residency, and robust English and life in the UK tests. For long-term plans, understanding these shifts is critical. Plan ahead so your loved ones can build stable lives from day one. Reforms often come with revised fee structures, historically trending upward. Fees fund processing, border operations, and contribute to public services. This can be a substantial barrier, especially with unfavorable exchange rates. Budget for the visa fee, the immigration health surcharge, which has risen and could rise further, and any priority services. Add legal advice and document translations. Totals add up fast. For a family, upfront costs can reach many thousands of pounds. Start saving and make a detailed budget now. Ask employers about visa cost assistance. Some routes for in-demand healthcare may be cheaper, but those are exceptions. Prepare for higher costs in 2026. Ignoring finances could derail your application. A cornerstone of 2026 is a sophisticated digital border system. The goal: more secure, more efficient journeys for legitimate travelers. Non-visa nationals use electronic travel authorization. Visa holders move to fully digital status. More steps happen online before travel. Documents, biometrics, and applications. Pre-screening flags risks before boarding. E-gates match faces to digital records. Stamps become rare. Long-term status lives in secure online records, replacing physical BRP cards. Keep your digital details current: passport, contact, and any relevant data, or risk delays and proof of right issues. Embrace the digital reality from 2026 onward. The UK will tighten employer responsibilities to deter illegal work and protect lawful workers. Businesses must check, record, and retain right-to-work evidence. Penalties remain severe or may increase. With BRPs phased out, online verification becomes standard. Train HR. Update systems. Avoid discriminatory practices. Workers should cooperate. Provide share codes. Keep personal records. Know your conditions. Track expiry, and access your digital status. This environment safeguards the labor market and rewards compliant employers. Be perfectly organized to secure and keep your role. With major change comes anxiety, but the best strategy is to be proactive, informed, and prepared. Check gov.uk regularly, the single source of truth. Bookmark your visa route and the points-based guidance. Do not rely on outdated forums or unofficial posts. Start your portfolio now. Valid passport, job offer and contract, degree and professional certificates, bank statements. If required, prepare and book English tests well in advance. Get help when needed. Accredited lawyers, university international offices, employer HR, and community groups. 2026 pushes a more selective, economically focused system. Learn the rules, plan ahead, and act early. Do this well, and you can position yourself for the best possible outcome in the UK's new immigration era.